think about this. How many of us out there in our jobs have a whole semester to get a project done? There was a task that needed to be done, and sometimes an emergency task came into the situation and we had to get it done. And I think that's what Cornell teaches.
And I also think it's a really good way to prepare for the real world, because you have to be able to focus in and just like put your head down and get stuff done sometimes.
That's the way jobs work, right? You have to be able to, really shift quickly and learn how to problem solve and learn how to critically think on your toes, because it's those skills that are going to make you more marketable.
Our students often say that when they get to grad school, everyone else is freaking out and they're like, we have plenty of time, this is so easy for us. Like, they really have a sense of what they can do in a short period of time.
I've been here 27 years. And what I have found and what I'm told by students is that if they choose to go on to grad school, if they choose that, they're way ahead of the game.
One of the things that students often tell me about how the block plan prepared them for life after Cornell is organization. They have to be organized, and they also have to take responsibility in setting up their own organization.
I think our students don't get as overwhelmed by things, and they'll get in a tense situation and they'll say, okay, I can do this. I can find a way to manage this. They learn to problem solve. They learn to identify how to fulfill certain tasks.
People say block plan and then that's all they say, but it prepares you for life.